Hello, we're here at Bentham Station, and we've just seen Sir Nigel Gresley. Now, really was wanting to do a live video for you, but it would not get working. I literally just going round and round and round. It would not work, and usually you have to do all this little thing to set it up, and I don't know how to do it. So the mother does that, so also she was like busy filming. It basically never happened because it wouldn't work anyway to even start doing that. So I do apologise for that, but it doesn't matter because you are still getting the video, and you were going to be on the stage. Oh, we actually are going to be on Sir Nigel Gresley, meaning it's in it. Isn't that exciting? And we're going to see it coming down, get nearly deaf, but very, very exciting thing is, Sir Nigel Gresley's gone now, but I'm afraid to say, or am I afraid to say, Scott's Guardsman's coming!
Are you sure it's the Scott's Guardsman?
According to my good friend, it says it's...
I was told it was British India Line.
I think it's Scott's
That's
Guardsman.
quite a surprise, isn't it? Anyway, there's a steam. Another one coming.
And everyone
Better.
bets.
Another one better.
And then after that, apparently a train needs to get to Leeds. It's very complicated because of like Scott's
That's
Guardsman.
just a passenger
Yeah,
train.
no. What I'm saying is, that Sir Nigel Gresley's gone, but then he has to get to Settle Station in order for the Scots Guardsman to set off because there's no signals down this line. Apparently, it's the longest one inside the country, so they're without any signals. And then after that one comes, I need to get a Leeds one in fast so people can go to Leeds. So basically,
Look at you with all the knowledge. Right.
Yes.
So here's the Nigel Gresley.
Here's Sir Nigel Gresley, and then there's Scots Guardsman.
British India Line.
Each to their own.
Anyway, we'll let you watch the vid.
You'll find out.
It's great. It's
Yeah.
awesome. Thank you.
You'll enjoy it.
Hey, Jesse, we have got a pig. Yeah. I don't care. I'll tell you what, I'll chuck this at the front and no one walks into it. All that fucking hell out with it on that got over it. Hello, how you doing? Alright? Hello. Oh, man. That's lovely, isn't it? Here, Robbo.
Switched on. Switched on. You switched on. Switch it on.
Everything's alright, isn't it? No, you get all the way. Yeah, please. That's very kind of you.
All right.
Don't put your finger on it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good.
Excuse me, what are you looking at?
Middle cylinder.
Middle cylinder.
Lost the pound. What have you done?
What's the pound about?
Just making sure it's alright.
The oil. Seen the oil?
Is that the oil?
We've got a number of them boxes all of these hatches.
Yes.
And they oil. See the copper pipes?
Yes.
So the oil comes through those copper pipes and
Yeah.
lubricates everything. That's why everything's oiling.
Oh, it's wonderful. So it's magnificent up close.
Yeah, well, I'm not. Other steam engines which aren't streamlined like this one.
You can't what? Sorry, I don't understand. Streamline.
You know, we've got all of
Oh,
this
streamline, I see what you
streamlined,
mean,
the
yeah.
speed, yeah.
It's
Other
wonderful.
engines, all of those boxes are on here. You can see all of the gubbins. But on ours, it's all like sort of hidden away. You see.
You must be so proud to work on it. It's just amazing. I'm in tears with it. It's just wonderful.
We've been waiting months to see this one.
Yeah. Designed to run at 90 miles an hour. We don't do that now. We're not allowed to do
What's
those
the
sort of
fastest you
speeds.
go?
But it was designed to run at 90 miles an hour.
And what's the speed you go
That was
now?
in the 1930s, that. You know, so it was a
much
fast
do you go
machine
now?
in its day. We're allowed to do 75 now.
Ooh.
Don't worry
It's not
about
bad, it's 90-year-old. You know.
It's wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Were you driving it yesterday?
We went to Carlisle yesterday.
Yeah.
Did you see it?
I was at Ribblehead both times. It's like pouring.
Both times.
Both
It
times.
was dreadful when we went up. Yeah, pretty bad. Nice coming back though.
On the move, folks.
Right, okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank
It's
you,
wonderful.
much
Thank you.
appreciated.
Thank you.
You are? Oh, maybe. I never knew it was. Oh, thank you.
Scots Guardsman, you're the winner.
It was thanks to Ben, I didn't do anything. But thank you very much for watching. But you should be thanking me because I have just brought you that brilliant video of Sir Nigel Gresley. So make sure you do thank me inside the comments so I can feel the thanks. No, thank you. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so you see more brilliant vids like this. Thank you. Bye.